Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sunil from CIT NCRT. I welcome you all to this session on Biorender by Dr. Upasna Sharma. She is an academic consultant at CIT NCRT with 8 years of experience teaching teachers and teachers educators. Her expertise includes biology teaching, educational technology, and research. She has published and presented numerous papers and articles, contributed book chapters, and authored a book on psychological foundations of education. Now we can get started with the session. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope I'm audible to everyone. If yes,
Yes,
please
ma'am, you
give
are
any
audible.
reaction. Okay, thank you, sir. So in this session, we will basically discuss how we can use various tools to enhance the teaching and learning of process of biology. So in biology, we generally use various types of real objects and the models to clarify various concepts which are related to the biology, teaching and learning. But in the absence of real objects and also in the classroom, teachers generally use various diagrams or various objects to clarify the concept. And also in this area of online teaching, we need various platforms or we need various ways through which a teacher convey a topic clearly in online mode as well. So for that, your teacher can use and even you all can use various tools, and one of them is the Biorender tool. So first of all, let me start sharing with my screen. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
I want my participant to answer. Okay, thank you, sir. So, okay, we will start with what actually is e-content. From the past 3 days, we all are trying to understand what actually are e-content and how we can actually create various forms of e-content. So in short, I will like to tell that e-content is basically any form of digital content that can be accessed and consumed electronically, which includes various forms of multimedia. You can develop these e-content by creating or by distributing these e-content. So without wasting our time, let's start with the tool. So our tool for today's session is Biorender tool. This tool basically is useful for creating beautiful and professional scientific figures, scientific illustrations, and diagrams. Now, one question arises in our mind: is this free, or do we need to take any form of subscription for it? This tool is the basic version of tool is completely free. You can create 5 images with the help of this tool. I will give you certain tips and tricks through which you can make as many as images, illustration with the help of this tool. So what actually are the benefits of Biorender? First of all, this is less time consuming, improve the quality of the image and graph. Images created with the help of the Biorender tool. You can edit it, you can share it with your colleagues, and also there are various forms of templates available in this tool. You can edit those templates and can use in your teaching and learning process. So how actually we all can use this tool? Simply, I want all my participants to go any web browser and type www.biorender.com. This is a web-based application. You don't need to download any form of application in your mobile or in your laptop. Simply type biorender.com. It is biorender.com. So after clicking on the biorender.com, you will get directed to this kind of a home page. I hope everyone is able to search Biorender on your web platform. Please give me any reaction or any answer. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. So after clicking on the biorender.com, you will get directed to this kind of a page. On the top, you can see the two feature is given, that is sign up for free. So for sign up, you don't need to pay or no subscription is required. Simply click on the sign up for Biorender. Now fill the required information, like type your name, type your institution name, create any password. Password should be of 12 characters, uppercase, lowercase, numeric, alpha. After that, you will see this page. In this page, you need to fill information related to your organization, like name of your school or what's your role, whether you are a teacher, you are assistant professor, you are a researcher, you are academician, you are a student, etc. Write down your institution name. You can skip this part. Okay, so after filling all the information, you will see a Biorender homepage where you can actually create various forms of illustration. I hope everyone is able to log in this application. If yes, or if no, please give me any reaction. And also, I want Sunil sir to please confirm whether there is any question in the chat box related to the login process.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Mosmi Debiroy, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I
Yes.
tried in Google to load that is www.biorender.com, but they're asking for mail, the work or institutional mail. Am I use my personal mail here?
Yes, you can use your personal mail as well.
And another one, thereafter
Yes.
I have given my mail. Then after they want me, one from me, enter the 6-digit code. So what should I have to give according to my choice? I'll give my.
Ma'am, after writing your personal mail ID, you must have get a 6-digit code on your that personal email ID. So
Oh,
simply just check your email ID whether there is any code or not.
oh, that means I have to find it out. Or my
Yes.
password can I give here?
You don't need to give your password to me. You just
Okay.
create a password for your application.
For my own. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So I have to create here 6-digit code. Huh?
Yeah. Check your mail ID. There must be a 6-digit code in the mail ID.
Okay, then I have to search.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Has everyone logged in? Are you all able to log in or not?
Ma'am, there is a question by Gopinath that
Yes.
shall we log in using Google account?
Yes. 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 You can log in by using any account you have, any mail ID you have.
Okay.
Madam, I am Guru Prasad from Chennai.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I have logged in Biorender, ma'am. Now I
Yes.
am filling. Now I am filling my data there.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Skip the unnecessary part, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
It is not required, ma'am.
What is not required? Don't fill
To
your
fill
expertise
personalize your
area of
experience.
interest. No, don't fill your area of interest and all this kind of information, because we
Yes,
are
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
already running.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I will select skip, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Gopinath, sir. Yes, yes, that's the home page. Okay, now I think everyone is able to log in the Biorender page. So, in this page, you will see there are various tabs are given. I will quickly go on my app. Okay, so so this is the Biorender homepage. So as you can see on the left side, as on the stream top, there is a create new option. When you click on that, you can see that various options are given related to what kind of content you want to make, whether it's illustration or it's poster or it's graph, etc. So simply click on illustration. After clicking on illustration, you will see that a tab of icons and templates have appeared on the left side. Okay, on the icons, there is a tab for all. There is a tab for icons and the free templates which are available on this application, on this tool. On the stream left, you can see there is various options are given. As I have just said, you can upload any picture, you can type test. There are certain lines are given, various shapes are given, which you can use to create any illustration. On the center, there is a tab for canvas. You can increase the size of the canvas. You can increase the width. And also can minimize. And also there is a share button. You can share your illustration with your students or with your colleagues so that they can also give their inputs related to that particular illustration. You can also give this illustration in homework to your students to fill a certain information, to fill certain labelings, or you can also share these posters with your colleagues to make any poster for any research application as well. And also you can simply export this file in the any format you want. So that's how you can use this application for creating various illustration. So I will show you how you can use this application for creating any diagram of biology. As you can see on your screen, I've already created various illustrations or various graph related to the biology. You can create a simple process of any phenomena like process of photosynthesis, climate change, global warming, etc. You can also create graph simply give your info related to the variables and click on the graph. And also you can make these types of poster presentation for your presentation or for your research purpose as well. Just simply add the image from your drive, write down the text, increase or decrease your size, change the font, etc. So in short, the more you explore these features, the more you are able to create the fine diagrams or the fine illustrations related to your topic. So I will quickly start. I will quickly start of making one illustration in front of you. And also I want all of you to create, first of all, just simply explore all the icons available. Then simply create any short or any complex diagram or any ray diagram or any even a simple diagram of a plant cell or a plant, etc. and share with me in the chat box or in the WhatsApp group. So, for example, I want to demonstrate the process of pollution, or I want to create any illustration related to the global warming, then how I can actually create a diagram related to it. So, I will simply start by searching all the icons which are available. There is various icons available for it. I will simply choose a grass. All you have to do is simply drag and drop. Now, you can also increase and decrease the width, the size, the color, whatever you want for your illustration. Now I want something related to road type of a thing. I will select you can overlay these icons one on the above depending upon your requirement. Now I need some icons related to the industries. So I will click on pollution, whether there is something related to the pollution. Yes, there is a picture of industry. Drag and simply just quickly drag and drop. Increase and decrease the size of your image. I want a picture of car as well. Picture of some plants. Okay. Now I want picture of sun. Yes, there is a icon. You can change the color. You can even create this picture with the help of lines, with the help of shapes available over here. So in short, you can customize this as well. Suppose you need a picture which is not available here in the form of icon, then you can upload any image from your system as well. For example, suppose I want to upload this image of book. So simply click on the image and upload on your page, upload on your canvas. So this is not required, so I will simply remove it. So, okay. Now what else do we need? Anyone want to share?
Ma'am, how to share it, ma'am? How to save and how to
You have
share the
created
same group?
something you want to share with me?
Yes, ma'am.
You can share on the chat or on the WhatsApp group.
In the WhatsApp group, ma'am.
Okay, you have shared. Now table 2C. Please reshare. Okay. So you need various forms of rays coming from the sun, going back in the atmosphere. So use these lines, use these arrows.
Ma'am, I have shared a link, ma'am. Link of that image, ma'am.
Okay, we'll check in few minutes. I need an icon related with the clouds.
Ma'am, it allows only 5 images to select, ma'am.
Yes.
Otherwise it asks paid version.
Yes. But simply download any image, then delete that particular file, and then on that particular canvas, try to make any other illustration. Then you will be able to create as many images as you want to.
So I have to download the icons.
You don't need to download the icons. All I'm saying is when you are done creating the illustration,
Yes, ma'am.
remove that illustration and then try to create any other creation.
Yes, ma'am.
At one time, you can have maximum 5 images on your page.
Okay, ma'am. Understood, ma'am. I will try again.
Oh, okay. So in short, you can make illustration related to your topic. I have already made one related to the process of global warming. I will try to share this with you because we are running shortage of time and there is still so much to share with you. So I want all of you to explore, to try and to share these diagrams or illustrations or even a graph or even a poster with me. So as you can see on your screen, you can make as many type of images, as clear images with the help of this app. Is this clear to everyone? Anyone trying? Hmm? Yes, Mr. Guru Prasad. So this is your illustration related to, I can see a microscope and a diagram of a cell.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nice try, nice try.
Yes, ma'am. Now I.
Okay. So that's how you can create any illustration related to your topic. You can use this illustration in online as well as you can download and print this file and share with your students to create beautiful illustrations related to the biology. And now, one thing I want to ask, why do we require to make such illustration in our teaching learning process? Why do we require to make such diagrams to clarify any concept in front of our student? Why we need these illustrations? Anyone want to share? Yes, Mr. Mosami, you have raised your hand. Yes, Miss Mosami. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, Miss Mosami.
Okay, madam, till now I'm trying, but I'm unable to create my password. Yeah. Okay. When I'm
Okay.
giving the strong password, it is telling in the red color, it is coming, the email address provided is already in use. So I'm
Oh,
continuously trying, but unable, unfortunately.
okay. What about other participants? Mr. Bijoy Sinha, Suhasini ma'am, Gopinath sir. What about you all? Rishabh Kativara sir. Shalini ma'am. Okay, so Mr. Rishabh Katiwar has shared for we need these illustration for concept clarity, for longer retention. Yes, very true, because these illustrations are very helpful in engaging our student. They are attractive. They are also motivating because they are engaging. You are continuously dragging and dropping certain things on your screen. You are editing various icons. You are continuously in a process of creating something, so students and even teachers feel motivated that they are able to create any content related to their concept. So that is all about biorender. I'm sure you all must be in a process of trying and exploring with the icons. Yeah, I'm sure you all must be using these templates. And also I want to mention one thing, that there are various templates are available. You can use these templates. You can use these templates to create anything. And how you can actually use these templates? So, okay, I'm removing my graph because I can use or create maximum 5 at a time. Okay, now I will start with creating a new illustration. Okay, so on the left side, on you can see templates are given. So there are more than 10 plus templates are over here. Try searching whether there is any template related to any particular physiological process or any phenomena related to your topic. For example, cell. We'll start with animal cell, whether there is anything related to the animal cell. Yes, there is many templates related to cell structure. Click on that template. So, in short, if you want to use this template in your classroom and you want to evaluate your students, what exactly their knowledge is all about this cell organelles. So simply you can edit this template. Remove all the labeling. Give this as a homework to your student or as assessment in your classroom. You can even change the color. Suppose you want to change the color. Suppose you want to change the saturation, that is the structure of your membranes, etc. So you can change whatever you want to change in that particular template. Okay, so try exploring the free template feature as well and try to incorporate these features in your teaching and learning process. So quickly, I will move to the other tool. So with the help of Biorender, you can actually create illustrations and diagrams. Now our next tool is all about how you can explore the world of cell. So our next tool is about the cells alive. This is also a web-based application. You don't need to download any application. So for Cells Alive, simply type www.cellsalive.com or .fun on your web browser. So what actually is a Cells Alive? Cells Alive is a platform which provides information related to the cell structure, those which are related to the microbiology, immunology, etc. It includes various concept, videos, images, animation, quizzes, very interesting puzzles, and other thing which you can use in your classroom. This is absolutely free. You can explore this tool, and also you can incorporate this tool in your classroom. For that, simply type cellsalive.com. So I want all of you to go and type www.cellsalive.com, www.cellsalive.fun on your web browser. Nice try, Guru Prasad sir. Very nice try. I'm not able to enlarge your image, but I can see you have made something related with the Biorender app. Yes, Gopinath sir. Okay. So this is Cells Alive. So on your stream right on the top, you can see the three buttons are given. This is about the content, explore, and study. So when it comes to the cell structure, generally whenever you introduce the concept or cell to our students, student often feel very confused when it comes to various organelles which are in a cell structure. Whether it's a eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cell, whether there is an animal cell, plant cell, certain cells contain certain organelles are absent in a cell. So, and also it is very tough for a student to understand the various processes related to a cell. So in this platform, you can see there is various options available which make the process of teaching learning of cell structure interesting for our student. So as you can see, there are various options are given. I will simply start with interactive cell model, that is the plant and the animal cell. After clicking on that, click on the start the animation. So it is asking me to choose one of the option, whether the animal cell or the plant cell. Yes, Gopinath sir. You will be able to create and contribute with the help of Biorender. Okay. So now you can see this is a animal cell. And when you click on a particular organelle, you can see it simply direct you a page where you can actually read about more about that particular structure, that is the nucleolus, the function of nucleolus. What actually is nucleus, nucleolus, cytosol, centrosome, etc. And what is the function of these organelles? For example, this is an animal cell and I will click on the chloroplast. So it will quickly give me an indication, no, animal cell do not have chloroplast. So in this way, a student can assess their knowledge that what actually are the particular organelles which are present in an animal cell and what are the things which are absent in a plant cell. When it comes to the plant cell, simply click on the plant cell, click on the cell wall, chloroplast. You can see how engaging this animation is and how you can simply share these animation with your students to make this concept engaging and also a little fun and a little motivating. I will say a little motivating for them because they are doing something continuously and they are finding it interesting as well. Okay, so simply explore the options which are available with all these cell models. Eukaryotic cell is there, prokaryotic cell is there. So simply explore about them. Explore these animations. There is many options related to the microbiology. Explore them and use them in your classroom. And also in the explore, you can see there is puzzles are given You can use this puzzle to assess the knowledge of your student. There is a puzzle called cell organelle match. So in short, you can see the functioning option is given related to that particular structure, ribosome. Where DNA is found. So simply you need to match all these options. There is puzzles related to the picture memory match, etc. And also we have the worksheets related to this. You can use this worksheet for assessment as well as to give this worksheet in homework to your students. Simply download them and use them in your classroom. There's various worksheets available to the animal cell model, plant cell model, bacteria cell, cell cycle, etc. Mitosis, meiosis, the phases of mitosis, meiosis, which are generally very difficult for students to understand how various phases are going in the process of mitosis, what actually is happening in the process of meiosis. Yes, Usharani ma'am, you can create such type of illustrations as well. Very nice. So in short, you can use this app in your classroom for your students to make any concept interesting. There is also quizzes available on quiz on cell biology, quizzes on microbes, etc. Simply use them. There are multiple choice type of questions are given. Explore them and use them in your classroom. And also there is various PowerPoint presentation is also there. You can edit this PowerPoint presentation and you can also use this PowerPoint presentation in your classroom into PDF or etc. Download them and use them in your classroom. And also glossary, what's are they here? There's the definition of all the terms. What actually is antibody, antigen, anaphase,
Hello, ma'am.
etc.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, sir.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. Have you shared any slides?
No, this is not slide. This is direct cell alive web page. Web platform.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Simply go in any browser and type cells alive. Simply type cells alive. You're able to find it? Yes,
Yes,
cellsalive.com.
yes, madam.
Yes, indeed. This is very interesting, Tashu sir. I want all of you to play this puzzle related to cell organelle and the functioning of that particular organ. What actually is helpful in maintaining this cell shape? Anyone want to answer that? What is the function of nucleolus? Anyone want to answer that? Yes, you need to search. The function of nucleolus is related to the production of ribosome. It is a ribosome production site. So you need to search, click and search and match them. Where DNA is found. What is the function of mitochondria? You need to search. Then cytoskeleton is related to, I think, click somewhere like the maintains this cell shape. Cell's power center is mitochondria. Ribosome, I have to search something related to the protein assembly. Yes. So in short, you can use this platform in clarifying the in the functioning of the organelles to your students. What actually is the function of various soil organelles which are present in an animal or a plant cell? Okay, that's all about the cellsalive.com. And quickly move to our last tool. Our last tool is about the biodigital app. This is basically a platform where you can explore various things related to the anatomy, disease, and their treatment. These are basically interactive 3D software platform. And now one thing arises in our mind that whether this platform is free or not. Yes, this platform is absolutely free. You can explore nearly 10 anatomy related things or a disease related thing or any model or any 3D interactive model. Maximum you can use 10 in a month. You can even customize those 3D models according to your need. You can use these models in the form of assessment. Also, you can ask your student to simply download them and use them to understand any complex process. So how to reach a biodigital page? This is also a free platform where you don't need to download anything. Simply just type www.biodigital.com. After typing biodigital human or biodigital.com, you will be able to see that the first option is the biodigital interactive 3D anatomy. Click on that. Now you need to log in. For login, just create an account, get started for free. Now fill all the required information, or you can simply go with your mail ID. Write your first name, your mail ID, and your password, and sign up. I want all of you to sign up with your mail ID to explore this platform. Simply write your first name, your last name, your email ID, and your password. I hope everyone is able to search biodigital platform. If yes or no, please share your opinion. Please raise your hand or give any reaction whether you are able to search biodigital or not.
Ma'am,
I can see various reactions are coming in form of thumbs up. Okay.
ma'am, let me share
Yes, sir.
this biodigital page that I have gone through.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you properly.
Ma'am, I have gone through that biodigital web page, ma'am. Now
Sir,
it is asking anatomy and physiology, conditions, procedures, and treatments, ma'am.
Acha, you have already logged in.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. My screen is stuck. Just wait a second.
So, ma'am, we have to use this biodigital human for myself or for with my students.
You can use this with your student as well because there are all the models which are given. They are 3D in nature. So no doubt a student learn things better when they are able to see a particular thing in a kind of a real or thing, or it provides you all sides of a organ. So I will suggest that use this with your student, ask them to explore this. So, okay, after login, you will see in anatomy, you can see there is anatomy by regions, anatomy by system, complete human body anatomy. There are certain things related to specific cardiology, dentistry, etc. Even the infectious disease, you can teach your students about the various infectious disease, how they are harmful, what effect they are creating on our human body, what treatment a doctor generally take in treating that particular disease. Okay, so this is the home page digital platform. On the home page, you can see on the left side the explore button is given. Click on the explore button and various options are given. Also, there is the option for my library. Whenever you add any model in your library, you are able to edit that particular model for your use. So in explore, I will start by anatomy by system. And I want my students to understand the process of digestion. As you can see on your screen, there are various structure related to the human, various processes are given. Click on the process. I want to customize this male digestive system. So I will, there is 3 dots are given on the quick view. Either you can explore it directly, or you can save this model or customize for your use, can share with your student, can publish as well, whatever you want to do. So because I want to customize these according to my need and for my students, I will click on the customize option. After clicking on the customize option, you can see now there are various options are given. The options, first thing is the content related to what actually is a digestive system, what are all the organs which are included in the process of digestive process. Quiz, you can create your own quiz. Simply click on quiz, add a question. What type of question you want to create? Suppose you want to create a multiple choice type of a question. Simply, what is the largest organ in the human body, or type your own question like hydrochloric acid is present in which organ?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I accidentally typed something because of which the image became upside down. So how do I make this straight?
Return to the, click on the circle which is on the stream down, that return to the starting position. Okay, ma'am? Okay, whenever you feel that you get
Yes,
stuck
ma'am. Done,
somewhere.
ma'am.
Okay, nice. So simply type your question and give your choices, whatever, how many choices you want to give, you can give and create. Just give a correct answer and add as many questions as you want to add. So this is all about quiz related to that particular process. And now how you can actually use this. So as you can see, there is paint button is also given. If you want your student to label something, that what actually this particular organ is. As you can see, now I'm able to rotate because I have clicked on the mouth. So how I am able to rotate and see all the sides. Click on all the organs and see how interesting it is to actually see all the organs, able to see liver, stomach, intestine, large intestine, small intestine. What is the difference between the large and the small intestine? That's why I'm saying to use this in your classroom. As you can see, how engaging and how interesting it is. Now you want your student to label. Simply click and label what actually that particular organ is. You can edit that label as well. Is liver, what is intestine, what is for stomach, etc. So that's how you can use this biodigital tool with your students. Explore all the options available on this platform. It is asking me to say, no, I don't want to say. So explore all the options available. So explore about the infectious diseases, as I've just said. what actually is our chicken pox, what all are the symptoms, how rashes appear on the body, what all the changes happen in our human body. So use this platform in front of your student and make them understand about the various infectious diseases as well. And why do we need to wash our hand? Why do we need to follow all the protocols related to the hygiene? What are all the harmful effect of the unhygienic things, etc. So, in short, use these models to make your students understand how a particular disease will affect their body. So there are various diseases available, which conjunctivitis, etc. So simply explore all the options and use this in your classroom. So this is all about all the tools available for all of you, which are absolutely free, which you can use in your classroom to make the process of teaching and learning interesting and fun-loving for your students. These platforms are completely free. You can create using various illustrations, various diagrams with the help of Biorender app. You can also explore the various structure, various cell structure. There are various quizzes available, various puzzles available, and also there is a bio digital platform where you can explore the 3D structure of the human anatomy, etc. So that's all. I want all of you now to ask anything related to these tools. I want you, all of you, to share what you have created. We have only 7 to 8 minutes left.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. I wanted to ask you that we have learned about so many tools since these 3 to 4 days.
Yes.
So, regarding making quiz, can we
Yes.
create on ChatGPT and copy and paste the questions?
Ma'am, I will not suggest you to directly use questions or any content which are AI made.
Okay, ma'am.
Without a human interference, I will not suggest, because all these AI platforms, they say that they don't give the 100% correct information. So I will not suggest you to make quizzes or to make questionnaire for your students or even for yourself with the help of ChatGPT. You can make, after making any questionnaire, any MCQ, try to check whether the
Yes,
options
yes,
which are
yes.
given available are correct, whether the language is correct, whether the answers or the options there is, there is whether the two answers are not correct, and simply try to check the duplicacy.
Okay.
So I will not suggest to use any AI platform for creating questionnaire, because this is not a right approach when it comes to the teacher to use AI platforms for creating questions.
No, after reviewing, ma'am,
After
the chat,
review, you can use.
yes.
Yes. After
After
review, you
review,
can
not
use.
directly,
Give
not
your,
directly, of course. We
yeah,
can
yeah.
review it. Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
give your input. Give your input with that particular question, then use it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Huh. Mr. Gopinath has shared so many things related to the human anatomy. Nivedita ma'am has also shared something in the chat box. Yes, even the moving parts can be observed very well in the biodigital human app. Okay, so Mr. Gopinath has added 2 questions related to the eye content. Yes. Any other question? We still have 5 minutes. You want me to explore more of Biorender app?
Madam, excuse me, madam.
Yes.
Madam, can Biorender software can be used along with the PowerPoint presentation, ma'am?
You want to use Biorender app for the PowerPoint presentation? Yes, ma'am, you can use. As you can
But
see,
I think it is not absolutely free, ma'am. It is confined to only a limited number of images. No?
yes, ma'am, you can create maximum 5 at a time. Simply take a screenshot or download them. When you are done taking the screenshot or the download process, simply go on the home page of your app and simply delete one of the illustration. In this way, as you can see now, I have 3 more options. I can create 3 more illustrations.
Right. Thank you. Thank you.
Any more question? So I want to share one interesting illustration with all of you. That is the DNA recombination. As you can see, how you can actually create even this type of illustration with the help of Biorender app. So as you can see, there is the breaking of the DNA strand, now the plating of the plasmid with the same restriction enzyme, and how you are combining both DNA and plasmid and how it is transforming in a cell and how the process of division take place. So suppose there is no option for a cell structure, then how you can make that particular cell structure? Go on shapes. Go and shapes and customize according to your need. What actually you want to make. So you can make anything with the help of that particular customize with that particular option, with that particular tool. There are lines available, shapes available. Insert various shapes. For plasmid, you can use circle. Change the color if you want to change the color. Try to change the color. Suppose you want to type anything, click on the text and type. And whatever you want to mention about that particular image. And share this with your students or copy to your PowerPoint presentation or invite people to give their input as well. So we have only 5 minutes more. After that, this room will be closed automatically. So if you have any question, any query, or you want to share what all you have created, then please share. Thank you, Guru Prasad sir. Yes, indeed. These apps are very helpful for the TLM, teaching learning material, even for online teaching, even for the offline teaching as well, because you can simply download them, print them, and use them in your classroom. You can use them for teaching and learning. You can use for testing the knowledge of your students in the form of making up prerequisites related to that particular content, then show that particular model to your students, then ask quiz to your students, ask them to fill the worksheets related to that particular topic. And all of these which are available to you. So with the help of these apps, even in the online classroom, you will never feel that you are not able to create anything, because a teacher requires a blackboard to demonstrate whatever is related to a topic. Or suppose there is a ray diagram, sometimes if a teacher themselves want to create something in front of a diagram, they want to demonstrate a topic with the help of a ray diagram. They want to demonstrate our topic by giving their input. So in our online classroom, a teacher will never feel devoid of certain things. They can use this platform for the process of teaching and learning, or for clarifying various concepts related to the particular content. Most welcome, sir. Hina Kausar ma'am has shared something.
Yes, ma'am.
Check. Ma'am, please give me the access to view this file.
How should I do, ma'am?
You must have get a notification on the bell icon. You must have got a notification, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I've clicked on that, ma'am.
I'm still not able to see. Let me check again. Ma'am, share